Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily add widget clock to your Android phone. Please friends, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you. And if you don't find a clock anywhere on your desktop screen, then you will need to add a clock widget. To do that, you need to click and hold on the blank area of the screen, and then, as you can see, you'll see this little menu appear at the bottom. Click on the word widgets. Next, you will need to either scroll through the widgets to find the time, or you can type the word time into the search box, or you can look for the time widget in the system settings. As you can see, I have the time on my phone in system settings, and there are several views of what the time widget will look like. You will also have options to choose how you want the time to look on your phone. Choose this one option that you like, and either tap the time itself to add it, or the Add button. As you can see, the widget is immediately added to the screen, and you can move it to a place you like. Depending on your phone settings, you can make your time widget stretch more, or make it smaller as you like. Once you have fully customized your time widget, friends, tap on the empty box on the screen. And now, as you can see, I can't drag and drop this widget because all the changes are already saved. Friends, this is the way you can find as well as add the clock widget on your Android phone. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.